Welcome to Strange and Crazy Stories, plus inspirational. You're not going to believe this. First off, in case y'all didn't know, yes, this is my night job. I got it since COVID. So 5 months now, and I started going back to work and cleaning windows, and I just decided to keep the job. It's nice having that, couple extra little bucks. But I tell you, it's chump change. But, it's money that I don't spend because I just pick up a check. I ain't doing much of nothing that night anyway. So, from making $500 up to $500 a day, I make every 2 weeks. Isn't that crazy? So, if y'all don't know, I deliver pizza for Domino's at night. Yes, I do. And I deliver pizza in the hood. In the number one dangerous country in America, right? One of them. Used to be the number one dangerous place in America. That's Camden, New Jersey, right? Pizza driver got slashed up for his pizza because he tried to take it back. So the guy didn't want to pay and he cut him, right? Guy hasn't been back yet. I don't know if he's coming back. 2 girl delivery drivers got their car stolen. Now, you just got to know how to move in the city, man. You can't be, acting like you don't know what's going on. You gotta know how to move, man. So, they made a movie here, Chase Street. Check it out. Yes, I deliver on Chase Street as well. Chase Street series. It's on Amazon. Check it out. If you got Amazon Prime, you can see Chase Street. It's real, all right? Everything that's in that series is what went down. 4 corrupt mayors, people on the take, all right? 6 officers prosecuted for on the take. Mayors squandering money. 4 mayors in the town alone. So they bring the county in to clean the town up. So now it's a money town. See, Campbell's Soup. Soup is good food. Headquarters is over here. So they're trying to get rid of that bad image. So I go to a house, right? It was a young black kid in the street. And he saw me pulling up. I don't know if he thought I was the cops or what, but he was looking strange. And then he came to the car. And he was like, oh, okay, there, the pizza. I said, yeah, I'm here to deliver your pizza. So he got all happy and went inside. A white girl came out and said, here, take it back. She said, take the pizza back. I'm going to pay you anyway, right? So at night, I've been, there's a couple homeless guy. He has a pit bull. No, he has a boxer. I'm sorry. And I give him, sometimes I'll give him some food for him to feed his dog and himself. And I gave him $5 a couple times, and then one night I gave him $10. And when I ride past, he always looks for me, I guess, to give him something, because a dog doesn't have a choice. You have a dog, and you made the responsibility to take care of it. If you and your dog are out on the street, that dog should be fed at any cost because that dog doesn't have a choice. All right, hold on. So, back to what I was saying. So, she told me to take the pizza, right? So, I'm thinking this, I told y'all about the laws of attraction, right? I told you about you got to create good karma for yourself. Now, I didn't feed that dog and that homeless guy, that homeless dog and that homeless guy because I was expecting something. I know I'm going to get it. I just don't know when. So tonight, it's either I keep all this food myself, which I'm not about to. Let me see. Let's see the price on here. $32.47, right? She hands me $40. $40. And says, take the pizza back. So you know what? I guess she has a guilty conscience. because she figures she's paying cash. Domino's gonna get stuck with all that pizza. They can't resell it. So take it back and maybe they could do something with it. Well, I don't know. She said she was gonna pay me anyway. I'm putting that money in my pocket because I think the Lord gave that to me. I don't think of it as stealing because it's a return. The company doesn't know she paid me, and they don't gotta know. And you better not tell my boss. Yeah, that's right. You better not get the phone number and call them up in Camden and tell them I kept that $40. This was meant for me. I see this now. Whether y'all wish to believe it or not, I believe it wholeheartedly. So the white girl doesn't live there, I don't think. The young guys look paranoid when I pulled up. So my guess is, me hearing me overanalyzing, when you've been in the city, you know what to look for. He must have been a dealer. She must have been there with a grip of money and been spending money all day and decides to punish them and says, I'm not paying for this food because they didn't have money or they just didn't want to spend it. She paid me anyway and said, y'all not getting it. Take it back. And the guy was looking at her like she crazy, but he ain't say a word. It was almost like she was in control. The darndest thing. Isn't that strange? Hey, man, it's going to be a good night. I got $40 tip already. The thing was only $37, so she gave me a tip on top of a tip. So I got $40. I'm keeping it. I'm telling them, she said take it back. She don't want it. Yeah, I got that money, baby. I'm telling you, man. Create random acts of kindness, karma. See, stuff like this happens to you. I'm not saying that you're going to get a job delivering pizza and then someone's going to give you $40 and say, take the food back and I'm going to pay you anyway. I'm not saying that. But somewhere along those lines, you can expect something strange, a miracle. And it ain't, it's the force of the hand of God for you having a good heart. I don't know. But it ain't too far off, huh? I'm telling you, man. I know what it is. Macafracka, peace, peace, peace.